Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome, bodacious videos. I don't expect many views on this video, but hey, you're here. So we're going to be adding raised decal letters to this embossed little F150 logo, so it stands out more. So they just arrived today. I went with the glossy black, and these are the ones that are three-dimensional. It's not just a plain old sticker. Now they make these in so many varieties. They have some with a red border. They have some that are white for black trucks. They have chrome ones, some that look like American flags. I went with the glossy black because I'm going to change the Ford logo here from blue to black. And I'll be doing that in another video. Popping that off, painting this, and putting it back on. So in the end, it should be my silver truck with glossy black enhancements. So let's see how this looks. It's pretty straightforward. The back side's got an adhesive on it. So I'm gonna peel this off and stick it in. Make sure that you line it up with the corner points. Since this has got nice corner square pieces, it should be really easy to just drop in those little embossed sections right there. So let's get to it. So you can just leave them all hooked together like this and put one on at a time, and then at the end, pull this film off. So it should line up perfectly based on how it's been laid out on this little sheet here. Well, I was wrong. It's not exactly the same. So I'm going to have to peel this off this first letter to continue on to the next little dash here to make sure it lines up correctly. Well, there you go. A quick, easy, and cheap way to improve or change the look of your truck. So to close up, I have the nice glossy black to match the glossy paint job. So soon, again, the Ford logo is going to be glossy black as well.